ज्ञानमयी ज्योतिर्मयी मरियं तु दयामयी मरियं तु दयामयी मरियं तु दयामयी.
Hi, I'm Monica Braganza. Hello my dear children, how are you all? Yes, today we are here to learn something more and something interesting. All of you are ready? Yes, but before that, what you are all going to do, you know? Yes, all must be having a garden, like small garden. Okay, you have to go there and see. What do you have to see? You just go there and see and tell what all things you saw. Come on. Yes, very good. Come on, fast. Yes, now come on, fast, come back. Very good. Now tell me, what did you see there? Yes, correct, flowers. Yes, beautiful flowers. Very good. Then, yes, okay, now you can tell me name of some of the flowers, okay? Yes, come on, rose, lily, shoe flower, very good. So, there must be something else. What is that, children? Come on, tell me. Yes, there were different types of plants, right? Have you seen a plant? Let me see who has not seen. Yes, we all have seen. Okay, some of the plants are very big. Like it must be near your house and in your school also, right children? Okay, so today we are going to learn about plants. Now tell me, all the plants are same? No. Yes, some are very big, very tall. Some are medium size and some are very small. Right. Now, suppose if you see rose plant, how it will be? Yes, it is medium size. Now, if I show you mango tree or neem tree, how it will be? Yes, it will be very big. So, you know what is plant? Now tell me, what is the color of the leaves? Yes, correct. It is green in color. So, today, what we are going to learn? Yes, right. We are going to learn about different types of plant. Okay, all the plants are same? No, they are different. So today we are going to learn different types of plant. Okay, tell me. Okay, when you are born you are small, then you grow, then you become big and then you become a big like your daddy and mama, right? Yes, so today we are going to learn about this plant and you can see them of different size, right? They will be growing. Yes, very good. So we start with our first topic, that is plant. But in that, first we are going to learn about trees. Okay, now tell me what is trees. Can anyone tell me? Yes, very big plant which are tall, huge and strong. We call them trees. Okay, now you can do one thing. All of you think and you can tell me names of few of the trees. Come on, yes, very good. Correct. Neem tree, then? Okay, I'll tell you one thing, okay? Rose, it is a tree? No, why? Because it is not a big, huge and a strong plant. Correct, very good. So, here, look here, what you can see on the board? Yes, beautiful pictures. But, what are the pictures? Come on, tell me. Yes, correct, about plants. But our first topic is trees. So now you all know what is trees. Come on, tell me. Very good. Big and strong plants are called trees. All of you repeat, children. Big and strong plants are called trees. Very good. I know you all are smart children, so you know what you are going to do, you know. Yes, you are going to see big and strong plants around your house and you have to tell me like what are trees, right? So that can be mango tree because it is very big and very huge. Then neem tree because that is also big, right? Very good. Now here I am going to show you some of the pictures of trees. Okay, can you see this beautiful picture? Yes. Now just look at this fruit and you will come to know which tree is that. Come on, tell me. Correct. It is a coconut tree. All of you have seen coconut tree? No? No problem. When you come to school, we will take you to show coconut tree, right? Okay. So look here. Yes, it is a coconut tree. Okay, what is this? Can you tell me? Yes, it is a coconut. And all of you like to drink coconut water, right? Yes. Now what else you know? What can we make from coconut? Can anyone tell me? Okay, let me tell you. When you wash your hair, after that what mama does? Yes, she gives you massage with oil. And you know which oil is that? Come on, yes. Yes, correct. That is parachute. But it is made of? Correct. It is made of coconut. So, what we get from coconut? Yes, very good. We drink coconut water. But it is used to make oil. Now, can you see one more tree over here? Which is that tree? Come on, look at the picture, you will come to know. You can find them around your house. Which tree is that? Correct. Neem tree. Okay. You ever tasted the leaves of neem tree? No? No worry. You can taste it next time. And I am going to ask you the taste of it. Okay. So, can anyone tell me what is the taste of the neem tree leaves? Yes, it will be bitter. Bitter like medicine. Yes, children. So, you know, it is bitter like medicine. So, we use this neem tree to make medicine. Because when you take medicine, when you are sick and you take medicine, how you feel the taste? Correct. You feel it bitter. So, we use this neem tree to make medicine. Okay, now look here. Yes, this was there in your garden, right? Yes, even I am having here. What is this? Yes, can you see this flower? You will come to know. What is that? Very good, right. This is a rose plant. Which plant is this, children? Correct, rose plant. So, rose also come in different colors, right? Some are pink, some are yellow, some are red and some are white also. So, can you see here? Which plant is this? Yes, it is a rose plant. And can we call them tree? Tell me, yes, no, why? Yes, because they are not big and they are not strong. Okay, so strong plants are called trees, but they are not that much strong. They have a strong stem. They don't have a trunk big, but they have a strong stem. But we don't call them trees because they are not big, not huge. We call them shrubs. What we call them, children? Shrubs. Okay, so the medium sized plant, they are not too small and they are not too big. They are medium sized. So we call them shrubs. Okay, so can you see this? So rose plant we call shrub. Why? Because they are medium size and they don't have so strong this thing. They have strong but we can break it easily, right? Okay, now look here. What is that? Yes, you will come to know when you go to a farm. You must have seen this. What is that? What is white in color? Yes, correct. Cotton. What is this, children? Cotton plant. And you know for what we use that? Yes, correct. When you get hurt, you put cotton, right? Very good. But we use this cotton plant to make clothes. You wear clothes, right? Yes, that is of different. Then when you feel hot, what type of clothes you like to wear? Yes, you like to wear clothes made from cotton. So that cotton from where it comes? Yes, from here it comes. So this cotton we take and we make clothes of it. Now this is rose plant, right? You know for what we use rose? Yes, correct. We smell. We sometimes put on our hair also, right? Yes, but this rose plant I use to make rose water and perfume. Yes, all of you are fond of perfume, right? You like to use perfume whenever you go out. So that perfume and rose water, what you use, that is made from rose. And the clothes, what you wear when you feel hot, It is made of, yes, cotton plants. So today we have learned two things. Which are they? Correct. Trees and shrubs. Now tell me, what is tree? Yes, correct. Big and strong plants are called trees. And what are shrubs? Yes, very good. Medium-sized plants are called shrubs. So now your homework is, what you are going to do? You are going to collect 2 pictures of tree and 2 pictures of shrubs, and you are going to stick in your book. Right, children? So take care and study well.